It's Mother versus Daughter Boxycharm by Ipsy. So, if you want to see who has the better box, stay tuned. Hi, and welcome to our channel. My name is Tracy.
I'm Chloe.
And Bandit's sitting next to us. But if you're new, welcome. Thanks so much for stopping by. We hope you decide to stay. And if you're returning, thank you so much for being a part of our YouTube family. So we have our Boxycharm by Ipsy. And I might have some extras in mine because mine is awfully heavy.
Lucky.
There
Can I go first?
Yep, there is a little flyer that says Glam-o-ween. Now, I didn't look up any of the information on the products, so I will just post up prices. Go ahead, go with your first product.
I got a Lauren's lip oil. Ooh.
Now, we do pick, or I do pick, 3 of the items that go in this box from the choices that they send us.
Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. This is mine. Mine.
Can you show them?
Fine. Still mine.
So it's a lip oil, lightly tinted pink. Okay, hold on, my turn. I'm going to save that one for last, because, look. I have the Tease Suit of Armor Battle Prep Face Primer.
Cool.
I remember choosing that, so I wonder.
Ooh, cool. Mine's definitely better so far because I have a pumpkin exfoliating sugar scrub. So I definitely have the bigger box, better box this time.
And this is by Tula. Put that back in the box for me.
Okay.
I have, yes, by Farrah, an eyeshadow primer.
Once again, I do get better with a Vanilla Boost Ultra Repairing Hair Mask with coconut and almond oil by Pamela & Co. Do better.
Now, I have the Dew of the Gods Dream Quake Lavender and Chamomile Relaxation Body Scrub.
Anyways, I have a lash volumizer by Dermalect. Whatever. Cool.
Is it like a little wand? Yeah. So the little wand thing, you're going to put it right above your lash line, and that is going to help with growth. By Silky, I have the Heat Defense Serum.
Alright, and our last item, or at least mine.
Oh, we'll do it at the same time then.
I read this as Mommy first.
Miami. It's the Ofra
Yeah,
Miami Mini Mix Face Palette. So we have some gorgeous colors.
Cool. We have a highlighter. Why is there a purple blush?
I don't know.
I'll probably use that as an eyeshadow.
So there's a couple of bronzers, a couple of highlighters, and a couple of blushes as we look down there. So very nice. So I think I had some points that I had to use or lose. So some of these things were points, or I might have gotten some, I don't really know, but I'll look it up and let you know. All right, so what's left in my box is my Box Boost, which is the Biro, Celery, AHA, and LHA Resurfacing Serum.
You don't even like celery.
And well, I'm not going to eat it.
Are you?
No, I'm not.
Oh, I would. It sounds tasty.
there is how that looks. And for some reason, they sent me 2. And I remember I made all my choices. So I don't even know if this was my box boost. But I'm guessing it is because it's an expensive item. I made my choices and it showed me my choices. And then when it showed me a picture of what I was getting, it showed me 2 of those. And I don't know why. And that's what I ended up getting. So I'm not really clear.
Oh, a perfume with a case like this. It ought to be good. Alright, don't have anything on left.
So this is the Kenzie Berry Beauty. The Serini Lip Alchemy. I'm not sure what this is. What is that? What does that say in there?
Ooh.
Lip Alchemy with
nothing
what?
you would like.
What is it? Can you read that, please?
Visa Plump.
Oh, it's a plumper.
Ooh, yeah, it smells so good. I'm keeping this.
All right. There is the color.
Oh, can I see that? Minty.
Oh, you can feel that burn. I got a little on my tongue.
Me too.
Wow, that's some burn right there. It doesn't feel on my lips, but when I got a little bit on my tongue, definitely felt it on our tongue. All right, well, those are our boxes. All right, that is all we have for you. So please consider hitting that like, subscribe, and notification bell. And hopefully, we'll see you soon.